Today on CryptoWinRate, we're doing a spot trading tutorial for the Zoomex exchange. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start buying and selling crypto with confidence. If you want to receive a limited time USDT welcome offer, I recommend you create a Zoomex account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive sign-up bonuses. To start our Zoomex spot trading tutorial, the first thing we want to do is make sure we have funds in the proper wallet. So let's head up to our wallet, click on our asset overview, and we can see we have 200 USDT in our funding account. We want to transfer these funds to our trading account. So let's head to transfer. Make sure our from is funding and our to is trading account. We are going to transfer the full amount and click confirm. We can see our transfer was complete and we now have 200 USDT in our trading account. If you aren't sure how to deposit crypto into Zoomex, we do have a video on this, so I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in this video's description. Next, we want to understand the trading fees on Zoomex, so let's go back to the main page. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on VIP Club. Scroll down a bit. And here we can see the fees. Exchanges usually charge two types of trading fees. We have a maker fee and a taker fee. Maker fees apply when you place a limit order, while taker fees apply when you execute a market order. We can see for the basic spot trading level, the maker and taker fees are both 0.1%. On the left side, we can see VIP level. The higher your level, the lower your fees. To understand how you can level up, we can go to level threshold, and we can see depending on your contract trading volume in the last 30 days, spot trading volume in the last 30 days, and average account assets in the last 30 days, you can level up your account on Zoomex. Now that we understand the spot trading fees on Zoomex, we can head to spot trading. This is the spot trading dashboard on Zoomex. On the top left is where we can choose the tokens that we want to trade. For this tutorial, we are going to stick to Bitcoin. In the middle here, we have the trading view chart. This is where you can see how price is moving in real time. You can change the time frame to view different time horizons, use drawing tools to mark key levels, and add indicators to help analyze the market. You can also adjust chart settings to customize how everything looks. Most traders use this to spot trends and find better entry and exit points. On the right here, we have the order book. It shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. Green represents buy orders and red represents sell orders. The order book can help traders see supply and demand at different price levels, while also giving you a sense of the asset's liquidity, meaning how much buying and selling interest there is at each price level. Right beside order book, we have the recent trade option. This section shows the latest trades happening in real time, giving you a quick idea of buying and selling pressure in the market. Heading to the settings, there's really only one important setting, and that's margin mode. On Zoomex, you have two margin modes, isolated and cross. With isolated margin, you assign a specific amount of funds to a single trade. So if the trade goes against you, you could only lose what you put into that position. And cross margin, your entire account balance is used to support your trades. This can help prevent liquidation. And if you're running multiple positions like a long and a short, your profits and losses can offset each other. A quick note for Zoomex, your trading account is shared between your spot and futures. So trading on margin means your entire account balance is used to support your positions. For beginners, I recommend sticking with isolated margin because it keeps your risk controlled and prevents one bad trade from affecting your entire account balance. Looking at the trading panel on Zoomex, we have three different orders that we can place here. We have a market order. A market order executes instantly at the current price, but usually comes with slightly higher fees since you're taking liquidity from the market. We have a limit order. A limit order lets you set your own price and often has lower fees because you're adding liquidity to the market. The third order is a take profit and stop loss. You can use this order to sell for a profit or cut a loss. You can set a trigger price, and once price reaches that level, it'll automatically place a market or limit order depending on what you choose. Traders use this type of order because the market can move fast, and these tools help protect your money and your profits. We are going to add a take profit and stop loss to our order once we make our market buy. So let's buy our Bitcoin. We are using a market buy because we want to execute our trade quickly for this tutorial. We are going to buy Bitcoin with the full amount of our USDT, so about 200 USDT, and we are going to place our spot Bitcoin order here. And we have bought our Bitcoin with 200 USDT. We next want to set our take profit and stop loss sell order. Zoomex only allows one take profit or stop loss per order. So I'm first going to show you how to set a take profit and then how to set a stop loss. For our take profit, let's say we'll be happy if Bitcoin hits 95,000. By executing this order, once Bitcoin hits this price, we will be fully sold out of our position at a profit. That's why it's called a take profit. We can choose how much we want to sell, but for this tutorial, we are going to sell our full amount of our balance, and we can execute this order. We can see under current orders and TPSL order, our take profit order. If we wanted to change the amount of our order, we can do so under order quantity. And as well, if we wanted to change the trigger price, we can do so here. If we wanted to set a stop loss, we would simply put the trigger price under the current price of Bitcoin. So let's say I'm getting nervous as the price goes down, and once Bitcoin hits 60,000, I will cut my losses. Again, for this tutorial, we are going to sell the full amount of our position and execute this order. Again, down below, we can see our stop loss order. Lastly, if we did want to set a take profit and stop loss order at the same time, we can't do this on a full position, but we can set partial take profit and stop loss orders. So we can set a take profit on 50% of our position, and we can set a stop loss on 50% of our position. So if Bitcoin hit 90,000, I'll be happy to sell out of 50% of my position, taking a nice profit, execute this order. And then on the other 50% of my position, I'll set a stop loss around 60,000 for the rest of our position, cutting our losses. Now I have it at 100% because this is the remaining balance that we have. So again, this isn't fully protecting us on the upside or the downside, but at least this is partially protecting us. We can execute this order now. And we can see down below that we have our take profit and stop loss orders. To cancel these orders and sell our spot position, we would just click cancel all. And then we would head up to market, make sure we're on sell our full position, make sure we get to 100, and click sell BTC. We can see we lost about 90 cents on that trade. That mainly had to do with trading fees. That wraps up our spot trading tutorial on the Zoomex exchange. If you want to receive a limited time welcome offer when signing up to Zoomex, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.